Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In the second part of our differential series, we're taking our understanding to the next level. If you missed part 1, check it out in the link below. In this video, we'll explore advanced concepts, applications, and how different types of differentials impact your driving experience. Let's dive in. Maintenance and troubleshooting tips. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's differential, there are a few key areas to focus on to ensure optimal performance and longevity. From checking and changing the differential fluid, inspecting and replacing bearings and seals, to diagnosing and resolving differential noise, proactive maintenance and troubleshooting can help prevent costly repairs down the road. Checking and changing differential fluid. The differential fluid is crucial for lubricating the gears and bearings inside the differential, preventing wear and overheating. Regularly check the fluid level and condition, and replace it according to the manufacturer's recommended intervals. To check the fluid, locate the filler plug on the differential housing, remove it, and ensure that the fluid level is up to the bottom edge of the filler hole. When changing the fluid, clean the fill and drain plugs thoroughly, and use the specified gear oil for your vehicle. Inspecting and replacing bearings and seals. Bearings and seals play a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the differential assembly. Over time, the bearings may wear out, leading to increased differential noise and potential failure. Likewise, seals can deteriorate, causing fluid leaks and contamination. Regular inspection of these components is essential, and replacing them at the first sign of wear can prevent further damage to the differential. Diagnosing and resolving differential noise. Noise emanating from the differential can be indicative of underlying issues such as worn gears, damaged bearings, or insufficient lubrication. Pay attention to any unusual sounds during driving, such as whining, grinding, or clunking, as they may signal a problem within the differential. Performing a thorough diagnosis with the help of a professional mechanic can pinpoint the source of the noise and allow for timely resolution, preventing potential catastrophic damage to the differential. By staying proactive with these maintenance and troubleshooting tips, you can ensure that your vehicle's differential continues to operate smoothly and efficiently, avoiding costly repairs and extending its lifespan. Remember, regular maintenance and timely troubleshooting are key to preserving the health of your vehicle's differential. Enhancing differential performance. When seeking to upgrade the performance of your vehicle's differential, whether for off-road adventures or racing, there are various strategies to consider. Here, we explore 2 key approaches to enhancing differential performance, through upgrades tailored for off-road and racing applications, as well as by optimizing gear ratios to achieve improved acceleration or fuel efficiency. Performance upgrades for off-road and racing applications. When venturing into off-road terrain or competing in races, it's crucial to ensure that your vehicle's differential is equipped to handle the demands of these rigorous environments. Upgrading to heavy-duty differential covers, reinforced axles, and robust differential lockers can significantly enhance off-road capabilities and traction. These enhancements not only improve the durability of the differential, but also enhance its ability to distribute power effectively, ensuring optimal performance in challenging conditions. For racing applications, honing the differential's performance is vital for achieving optimal speed and agility on the track. Upgrades such as high-performance limited-slip differentials and specialized racing gear sets can provide the responsiveness and precision needed to navigate sharp turns and accelerate swiftly. Moreover, upgrading to racing-specific differential fluids can reduce friction and heat buildup, promoting smoother operation and prolonged durability under high-performance conditions. Upgrading gear ratios for improved acceleration or fuel efficiency. Optimizing gear ratios is a fundamental aspect of enhancing differential performance. Adjusting gear ratios can have a profound impact on the vehicle's characteristics, influencing factors such as acceleration, top speed, and fuel efficiency. For those seeking heightened acceleration, particularly in off-road or racing scenarios, lowering the gear ratio can amplify the torque delivered to the wheels, resulting in more rapid acceleration and improved low-speed agility. Conversely, for drivers prioritizing fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, raising the gear ratio can reduce engine RPM at cruising speeds, thereby conserving fuel and promoting a more economical driving experience. By strategically selecting gear ratios tailored to specific driving objectives, enthusiasts can unlock the full potential of their vehicle's differential, achieving the desired balance of performance and efficiency. In summary, enhancing differential performance encompasses a range of strategic upgrades, each tailored to the unique demands of off-road explorations, competitive racing, or everyday driving. By customizing gear ratios and integrating specialized enhancements, drivers can elevate their vehicle's capabilities, reveling in enhanced performance and responsive handling across diverse driving scenarios. In conclusion, understanding the parts and functions of a vehicle's differential is crucial for every car owner and enthusiast. Regular maintenance and proper troubleshooting can prevent costly drivetrain issues, ensuring smooth and efficient vehicle performance. Additionally, informed decisions regarding performance upgrades can improve the overall driving experience and extend the longevity of the drivetrain. By staying knowledgeable about the differential and its components, car enthusiasts can maximize their vehicle's potential and minimize the risk of unexpected breakdowns. It's all about keeping the gears turning smoothly for a fulfilling and worry-free driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.